Hello everybody, I'm Annie B and welcome to my channel. I participate in a monthly collab entitled Jewelry Making Fun Collab. And this collab is hosted by Delia Design Jewelry and More, aka Deb Hulk. Now there are other participants in this collab and their channel links are listed in the description box below. Please check out their channels and see the items that they make. It's really interesting. We all are given the same information, and it's always kind of fun to go back and look at the things that they had and the things that they came up with, and I enjoy that part of the collab. So let's get into it, and I'll show you the item that I made. Well, no, before I go into it, let me show you the colors. This is the month of February. I've already checked it out. Now the colors are purple, blue, and gold, and we are to incorporate option number 1. We can incorporate mixed metal, or number 2, we can do flower. We can make a beaded flower piece of jewelry. So I thought about doing option number 2 because I got my little box here that contains all my little flower beads and whatnot, but nothing spoke to me, and that's just the way I operate. Something has to speak to me, so nothing in this box spoke to me. Well, this one did. I thought about using something like this, but it didn't stick, so I just put that aside. So what I decided to do was to do our option number 1, which to incorporate the mixed metal. Now, when I was looking at the colors, I was a little confused. I didn't know if we could just pull out one color, or do we need to use all 3 of them? So since I am in a polymer clay class, I decided that I would incorporate all of the colors. I went in and pulled out my little clay. This is my Fimo, and I used red. I'm not red. I used the purple, the blue, and the gold. So let me show you what I came up with. Hold on just a sec. Okay, now this is the necklace that I used, that I made, and it turned out pretty good. But you know, I had a little incident with this piece here. I had just taken this out of the oven because, you know, this is polymer clay. You have to bake it. And as you can see, I got all the colors that we are supposed to have in here. You got your blues, you got your the blue, you got your purple, and you got your gold. So color wise, I'm on point. So I got them all in here. But as I was saying earlier, I took this out of the oven and it had cooled off, and well, it was cold, ready for me to, you know, sand it down and put it together. So what I did was I couldn't figure out which one of these I should use. I love, 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 love this. The UV resin, this is really, really great. But I also discovered that the 3D lacquer, the crystal lacquer, this is just as nice. So I decided I would go with this. And I was just, you know, I had it, my thing all set up and everything, and I had it on my little block. Let me show you what I mean. I had it on this little block here, like the rest of them. They were, you know, I was painting it and it was drying and whatnot. And somehow or another, it just tilted over and this fell to the floor. And when it went to the floor, it messed up. All the thread and dust and everything else that was on the floor, it just picked that up, and I had to, I was so upset. But I knew for a fact that I could not reproduce this. This would not have come out like this. So if you know anything about polymer clay, you know you get what you get when you do that slice. Now you got to forgive me with the language because I'm just not getting into it and I don't know all the proper terms. But I know you squish your clay together and you slice it and you get all these beautiful different shades and colors and things. So I knew I couldn't reproduce this, so I got my alcohol and my towel and thing, and I just cleaned it up the best that I could. And I put some more 3D lacquer on it, let it dry, and it's passable. I'll put it that way. It's not 100% like it was originally, but it is passable. Okay, since, well, that's my little story behind this piece. But I use silver. I got silver bell here, And I use some, this is mandolin cowhide leather cord on here. And I think this is 23 inches. And like I said, this is silver. And I decided I would use gold on this one here. And I had a snap-in clasp. I got tons of these. And they are so hard to open up sometime, but I don't think it's ever going to come apart. Once you get it clamped in here, it takes some strength just to open it up. But this is the necklace that I made for the collab. But I was wondering, and if you know, just leave me a comment. You see, I want to find out, how do you relax this leather? It's okay once you put it on because it'll hang right, but I don't like the way it twists like this. I just don't like it at all. But like I said, once you put it on, you're fine. I know I was rubbing it, trying to heat it up and stretch it, and it did a little bit better when I did it that way. But I don't want to sit here and spend hours and hours and hours of rubbing it. And I thought about putting some heat to it, but again, you see how it does? It does pretty well when you heat it up. Just rub it and just stretch it out. But I don't like the way it comes off the roll. You know, it's just automatically twists. I guess that's just one of the drawbacks using this kind of stuff when it's on a roll like this. But that is the necklace that I made. So let me show you the matching piece to this. Now this is the pair of earrings that I made to go with it. These are so cute. And look at that lacquer. This is lacquer, y'all. And it's so pretty and shiny. I put 2 coats on here. 2 coats of lacquer. And I use silver again. And I use gold on top of these beads right here. And I made these polymer clay. And these are some lever backs that I had in my stash. Now, this is not the style of lever backs that I want for this particular kind. I want the round ones. And I was completely out of them. So I placed an order. Hopefully I get them one day next week. And I just swap those out. And yeah, these are the ones that I made. So I think the set, they go well. Pretty good. Yep, they go well pretty good. So those are the items that I made for the month of February Jewelry Making Fun collab. So that is it for Annie B. I am going to let you guys go. So don't forget to check out my channel. Please like and subscribe. I keep saying I want to grow my channel, but I'm not working. I'm not working hard enough to grow my channel, I guess. But I love doing what I'm doing. I have fun making jewelry, and that's the key for me. It's just fun. It's not work. It's fun for me. When it becomes work for me, I think I would just lose all interest in it. But again, thank you so much for dropping by. Don't forget to go and check out other channels, and I will see you again in March. So you all take care and stay warm, because my God, it's supposed to be 29 degrees tomorrow, and that will be the 18th of February, 29, and we had 70 degrees. It was 70. Oh my God, now it's 29. Oh Lord. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm rambling. Okay, y'all, take care, and I will see you in February. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Take care now. Bye-bye.